Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to find a Steam account. You can find a Steam account by going to the Steam website and clicking Login. Next click I can't log in, meaning I forgot my account name or password. Enter your email address or phone number here. Then solve the CAPTCHA. Click Search. We'll send a verification code. That's it. And then check your email. You'll receive an email similar to this showing your nickname. But that's not the end. Here, you can then click I need another account. That's it. Repeat this with a different phone number or email address. Actually, if you have several accounts linked to one email, they might show as a list right away. That's all. This has been Weller. Goodbye, everyone.